Quick Start Guide. Unboxing. Open the ATOM2 package. Take out the product and accessories. App download and instructions. Please scan the QR code on the package. Download and install Potensic ATOM2 app. Launch the app and register your account. If you already have an account, simply log in. Startup and activation. When using the smart battery for the first time, use a USB charger or charging hub to wake up the smart battery. Once the LED indicator turns on, the battery is successfully awakened. After the successful wake-up, the battery is ready for normal use. Take out the control sticks from the back of the remote controller and install them. Unfold the antennas of the remote controller. Select the corresponding adapter cable for your mobile device and connect it. Pull open the remote controller to both sides and secure your mobile device in place. Insert the end with the remote controller logo into the bottom port of the remote controller. Press and hold the power button on the remote controller to power it on. Remove the propeller strap and gimbal protector. Unfold the drone arms one by one. Check if the SD card is installed. Insert the smart battery into the drone. Push firmly to ensure that the battery buckle is in place and battery secured. Press and hold the power button to power on the drone. Launch Potensic ATOM2 app. Wait for the remote controller to connect with the drone. Upon the first successful connection, the app will prompt you to activate the drone. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation. You can purchase Potensic Care within 48 hours of activation. Feel free to choose whether to purchase based on your actual needs. Pre-flight preparations. Make sure the remote controller and smart battery are fully charged before flying. When it's ready, you can enter the flight interface. Wait for the drone to search for GNSS signals. After entering GNSS mode, you can follow the on-screen prompts to calibrate the compass. Tap Settings, Calibration, a compass calibration. After entering the calibration interface, place the drone about 1.5 meters above the ground. When the tail indicator of the drone flashes red and green, follow the on-screen prompts to rotate the drone horizontally. When the tail indicator of the drone flashes blue and green, follow the on-screen prompts to rotate the drone vertically, until the app prompts that the calibration is successful. Check the surroundings before takeoff. Choose an open and unobstructed place to fly the drone. Set the return altitude. Make sure the return altitude is greater than the height of surrounding obstacles. After the setup is complete, you can start flying the drone. Take off in GNSS mode and pay attention to the home point. Takeoff/landing. Manual takeoff, using the left-hand throttle as an example. Push both sticks to the bottom inner corner. After the propellers are spinning, push the left control stick up. The drone takes off. Pull the left control stick down. The drone will land slowly and propellers will stop from spinning. Auto takeoff. Press and hold any blank area on the flight interface. A swipe to take off pop-up window will appear. Follow the on-screen prompts to swipe. The drone will automatically take off and hover. After takeoff, tap the Auto Landing button on the left. Follow the on-screen prompts to swipe left. The drone will automatically land and propellers be stopped. Flight operations. Using the left-hand throttle as an example, push the left control stick up and down. The drone will ascend and descend respectively. Push the left control stick left and right. The drone will turn left and right respectively. Push the right control stick up and down. The drone will fly forth and back respectively. Push the right control stick left and right. The drone will fly left and right respectively. Turn the dial at the upper left corner of the remote controller. You can control the tilt angle of the gimbal. Turn the dial at the upper right corner of the remote controller. You can adjust the digital zoom ratio of the camera. take photos and record videos. In photo taking mode, press the shutter/record button at the upper left corner of the remote controller, or tap the shutter button on the right side of the flight interface in the app. You can control the drone to take photos. Press and hold the shutter/record button at the upper left corner of the remote controller for 2 seconds. You can switch to video recording mode. Press the shutter/record button at the upper left corner of the remote controller, or tap the record button on the right side of the flight interface in the app. You can control the drone to record videos. Press or tap again to stop recording. Tap Album at the lower right corner. You can preview or download photos or videos. Smart Return to Home. Press and hold the return button on the right side of the remote controller, or tap Auto Return button on the left side of the app. Swipe right as prompted. The drone will automatically initiate the RTH procedure. During the RTH process, press the return button of the remote controller once, or tap the cancel button on the left side of the flight interface in the app. The RTH procedure will be cancelled and the drone will hover in place. If a low battery RTH prompt appears during the flight, please confirm promptly and initiate RTH. Storage. After the drone has landed safely, press and hold the power button to power off the drone. Fold the drone arms one by one. Install the gimbal protector and propeller strap. When installing the propeller strap, avoid putting pressure on the propellers. Press and hold the power button to power off the remote controller. Remove your mobile device. Fold the antennas and adapter cable. Remove the control sticks and store them in the storage slots. Place the drone and remote controller into the shoulder bag.